Welcome everyone to the AlignX Solutions social media channel. Next week, we're going live for a 60-minute Zero Fluff webinar. The topic? How to get real AI return on investment in 90 days. No more dead pilot projects. During this session, we'll review various AI projects and discuss why they were killed without any return on investment. We'll also show how AI projects can pay for themselves in under 4 months using the AlignX AI Launchpad plus MVP approach. We're showing the exact playbook, why most AI pilots die in SharePoint, the two-stage system that's working right now, the manufacturing case that slashed unplanned downtime 34% in 60 days, plus real Q&A from industry leaders. Your questions answered on the spot.
Bring your hardest questions to AlignX Solutions. Here's the kind of stuff we're ready for. I bought Copilot 6 months ago and nobody uses it. Can the AI Launchpad fix that? My data is a complete mess in 10 different systems. Are we screwed or can we still start? How do I get my CFO to say yes when the last 3 pilots burned $200K with nothing to show? What's a realistic budget for a first MVP that actually ships and gets used?
This AI webinar is for IT leaders, builders, and operators who are done with hype and ready for results. You've seen what happens when AI pilots fail. Now see what happens when they don't. Join us on the AlignX Solutions webinar and leave with a plan that actually gets used. Save your seat now. This is your chance to dive deeper and start your AI success story. Don't miss out. Save your seat and drop your question when you enter the registration link. For those of you interested in receiving an AI roadmap for 2026, we'll have a section to gather more information from you. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to get started.
Here are the next steps. Sign up for the webinar using the link in the video description area. Provide your contact info and submit any questions that you'd like answered during the webinar. If you'd like an AI roadmap for 2026, provide more information in the submission form area. For any questions, contact us at info@alignxsolutions.com.